In this session, let us see how to draw this figure. First, you can set the limits based on the size and then you can start creating the figure. Go to AutoCAD, go with limits command, lower left is 0, 0 and the upper right I am taking 200, 200. Then go with zoom all. Now look into the figure. First let us draw two circles. One is of dia 55 and the other one is of 90. In AutoCAD, first let me take two construction lines. One is vertical and the other construction line is horizontal. Now go with draw, circle, center diameter, pick the center, and the diameter of the inner circle is 55, so give the input as 55. Then again draw, circle, center diameter, pick the center, and the diameter of the outer circle is 90. And after completing these two circles, next let us see how to take two lines which we need, and these two lines are at a distance of 8, so you can simply offset the center horizontal line to a distance of 4 on each side. So go to AutoCAD, offset, specify the distance as 4, select the line, offset it on the top, again select the line and offset at the bottom. Now you can go with trim command and trim out the unwanted portion. Then directly you can delete the lines. So we got the first set. Then similarly we are going to get the remaining, and to get the remaining sets it is directly possible to go with array command. So you can use simple array command, and in that you can choose polar array and get the remaining sets. So go with AutoCAD, I am going with array, say select objects, select the two lines, then go with enter, pick the center point, this is the center of the array, and number of items is 6 and total angle to fill is 360. Now see the preview, and if everything is fine, simply you can go with enter. So with this we got the 6 sets. Then next we have the circles which are placed on the top as well as at the bottom. But first let us go with the top one, and then we will take the mirror image to get the bottom. Next I am going to draw the two circles which are on the right side, and to draw these two circles I need the center point, and to get this center point I am going to draw a line at an angle of 60 degrees with respect to horizontal, because it is given as 30 degrees with respect to vertical, so remaining angle is going to be 60. So directly you can go with a construction line and specify the angle as 60, then you will get a line here. And after placing this line, next I am going to draw a circle whose radius is going to be 60. Then the intersection point of the circle and the line is going to give me the center for these two circles. Now go to AutoCAD, first go with construction line, say angle and specify the angle as 60. You can place here. Then go with the draw, circle, center radius, pick the center, and the radius is 60. Now we got the intersection point. So draw two circles, and the inner circle dia is specified here as 20 and the outer circle is of 18 radius. So go with draw, circle, center diameter, pick this intersection point, the diameter is 20. Then again draw, circle, center radius, pick the center, and the radius is 18. Then next I am going to take the mirror image of these two circles in order to get on the left side. So go with mirror, MI, then select the two circles, enter. Now pick 2 points on the vertical mirror line, and you can say erase source objects. As usual, you can go with no, then you will have the 2 sets. Then next, I am going to create a fillet between the 2 circles of radius 17. So you can go with AutoCAD, go with fillet, F enter. You can specify the radius by going with radius, and the radius is 17. Now select the first circle and select the second circle. So you got here a fillet of radius 17. Then next, I am going to draw 2 lines. One is on the left side and the other one on the right side. And this simply you can do by going with offset. You can offset this inclined line to a distance of 18, and then you will have the 2 lines. You can go with offset here, and let me specify the offset distance as 18 because the radius of the circle is 18. So you can go with 18, select this line and offset it. Then later you can trim out the unwanted portion by going with TR, double enter. This I don't want, and even this I don't want. So trim it, then directly you can delete the remaining line. Now again you can go with mirror, MI, select this line, then select 2 points on the mirror line, then accept it. So we got even these lines. Now once again you can trim out the outer circle, the unwanted part of the outer circle. Directly you can trim it on both the sides. So go with AutoCAD, say TR, double enter. You can zoom that area and slowly trim out the unwanted portion. You can go through here. If there is any small part left, directly you can trim it out. And now if you don't want this larger circle which we have used as reference, you can directly select it and delete. So you can delete one by one like this, and again you can simply take the mirror image of the top in order to get the bottom. But before that, you can see here we have a fillet of radius 14. So directly you can take on both the sides. So go with fillet again, R enter, 14, zoom the area and take the fillet. Similarly here also you can go with again fillet, radius is same 14. You can choose here one by one. Now I can go with mirror and select all the objects whichever I need for the mirror. So you can select one by one, or even you can use the other selection options. So select everything, then pick 2 points on the horizontal mirror line and accept it. Then even if I don't want, I can delete this line as well as this line. So with this you can see here we have completed the figure by name cover. Then similarly, using circles, fillets, arcs, we can create the next figure. And how to draw this next figure, let us see in the next session.